Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out the Beaute Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. So this is a product I got in Ipsy. It's a $28 setting spray, which I think is very pricey for a setting spray, but I'm so excited to see how this is going to perform because I love testing out setting sprays. This says it's supposed to give a refreshing feel and allow for your makeup to stay on all day. So this doesn't give much information as to what it's supposed to do to my makeup. Is it supposed to hydrate my makeup or is it more of a matte spray? We are about to find out. I prefer when my setting sprays will refresh and hydrate my makeup when it does start to get a bit dry, because when it comes to sealing makeup, setting makeup down, that's when I typically reach for a setting powder to do that type of effect, and I reach for a setting spray when I want to get that glow, get the makeup to melt down into my skin and rehydrate dry skin and makeup. But let's go ahead and see what this does. It's a nice big setting spray here. And the sprayer that can really make or break a setting spray for me. Let's do some test sprays, see how it does. Ooh, that actually seems great. It's a big area of mist, but not too harsh or spitty, but it does still really drench the skin. So that's actually what I really like in a setting spray. This definitely also has a pretty potent, fragrant smell. It smells really nice, like a refreshing floral smell, but also sometimes when a setting spray is too fragrant, that can also be bad. But so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to spray it on half of my face for now so that we can see the difference. Oh, wow. It really is such a large area of like coverage when you spray that it just took 3 spritzes to do half of my face. And immediately, look at that difference. I mean, my skin is still kind of wet, but it's definitely giving more of that glow and radiance and creating more of a natural skin-like finish to my makeup, which beforehand was definitely looking matte. And I want my skin and my makeup to look like natural, radiant, glowing skin, not like flawless makeup. I mean, I want that, but I want it to look like flawless skin rather than flawless makeup. And I feel like this really did a great job of creating that flawless skin texture to my makeup. And it's looking more hydrated, more glowy. I like to just fan the setting spray until it's fully dry and let's compare the difference. But yeah, I'm so glad that what I immediately noticed, that radiance, is still there. It looks so good on the skin. I'm really excited right now to go ahead and spray the rest of my face and create that radiant glow all over. Yeah, look, right away, that radiance and glow that I love and that I was hoping for. I do have a bit of a dry patch on my chin, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little extra spritz there just to see what's going to happen, if I can fully hydrate it. And the smell, you definitely notice it when you apply, but it's not bothering me. I don't typically mind too fragrant of a product, but sometimes it does make me sneeze, and this one is not making me sneeze. But yeah, there we go. It really did give glow. It melted the makeup into my skin for a much more natural finish. It hydrated where I had some dry patches. It's not 100% completely hydrating, like this would replace a moisturizer for dry skin, but it definitely improved the look of dry makeup and dry skin through makeup, which is amazing. I feel like as we're going into these colder months, this is going to be very important to have as my skin gets more dry. But I really like this. I love how it sprays. I love how it looks and feels. So I started off this review saying that this is a pricey product, but at least I think it really is so good for that price point. But let me know what you think of this. If you've tried it out, I'd love to hear in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.